Jyoti Dubey.
Congratulating the youth of our nation, our Honorable Prime Minister said that youths got an open sky for their wings. A very warm good afternoon to one and all present over here. Myself Jyoti Dubey, and today I stand as a youth of developing India. And the topic is Union Budget 2026, a Yuva Shakti budget for the Viksit Bharat 2047. On 1st of February 2026, Nirmala Sitharaman presented the budget in the Parliament for the financial year 2026-27 with the focus of infrastructure, manufacturing, economical stability, and youth empowerment. Not just that, it reflected the guiding principles of action over ambulance, reform over rhetoric, and people over populism, with the three guiding principles of sustainable economy, full aspiration, sabka saath, sabka vikas, ensuring that no one left behind, and this is said the foundation of Viksit Bharat. Now, how this is the Yuva Shakti budget towards the Viksit Bharat 2047? For this, I would like to draw your attention towards the emphasis which government is putting to empower the youth through the investment in education, skilling, innovation, entrepreneurship, and opportunities for the future. The steps like establishment of 5 university townships near the major industrial and logistic corridors, which would function as the academic hub featuring multiple college universities, skill centers, and research institutions. The second step of establishing girl hostel in every district to promote female education. The establishment of high power education to enterprise and employment standing committee, which would ensure and boost the employment of youth in the service sector, AI, and emerging technologies. How can we forget the promotion of orange economy, where the Indian Institute of Technology, Creative Technology, Mumbai, to be provided the support for the establishment of AVGC Content Creators Lab in 15,000 schools and 500 colleges to promote the youth in digital creation, creative startups, and formal jobs. The sports sector, where the Khelo India mission to be launched to achieve the dream of being there present in the top 10 sporting nations by 2036. But why this all emphasis is given on Yuva? Because youths are the backbone of a country. Today's youths would be tomorrow's responsible citizens. Today's youths are the crucial drivers in the economy, and the Indian youth shifted from being beneficiaries to the architects of change, leading social initiatives, entrepreneurs, innovators. And today's youth, if gets educated and skilled, they will be tomorrow's APJ Abdul Kalam, Vivekanand, Neeraj Chopra, and PV Sindhu, when all these bodies and mind would work together towards the development of India. Our India would be Viksit Bharat soon. Before concluding my speech, I would say that I, as a youth of India, would like to celebrate the 100th Independence Day of India as the 100th Independence Day of a developed India, and contribute my best toward Viksit Bharat. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you. Jai Hind.